Hi, walk with me on my early morning workouts at Magens Bay St, US Virgin Islands. It's just about 5 a.m. in the morning and it's the perfect time to clear my mind and move my body. I'm Flo from Flo Dynasty. I help entrepreneurs with websites, graphic designs, digital tools, and I even create Virgin Islands inspired merch. Just like business, it's important to show up for yourself and take things one step at a time. I've spent the last few years sitting more at a desk, and now it's time to prioritize my health. My weight has been going up, and the aches and pains have been going up. So I'm taking my time. I mostly walk, but at times I take a light jog so I can continue to build my endurance back up to where it once was. I remind myself to be patient and compassionate because Rome was not built in a day. Here is a path that we take in the back. I remember coming to this path as a youth in elementary when we come on field trips. They used to show us different plants and give us various history lessons on this area back here. You can find out more information about this area on the board that's at the front of this trail. How do you normally work out? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your routine. For those of you who don't know, there's this workout trail dedicated to Elliot MacGyver Davis, and it has all these different workout bars. Guess there's some steps to what you can do in the first set and going on down that way. Normally, I'd be in the water after my workouts, but since the water was a bit rough, as you'll see coming up, I did some sit-ups today, but I often do try work on my deadlifts and my knee raises. I'd love for you to join our WhatsApp channel where we share local news updates and more. The link is in the description. And if you're enjoying these walks and insights, hit the subscribe button. As you can see, the sea was quite rough, and so we did not swim today. Thanks for walking with me, and remember, just go with the flow.